Hello everyone, it's Fine City. Today, I woke up at 5 a.m. in order to watch Elon Musk hosting SNL to see what happens to the Dogecoin price. Now, it won't be possible to show you the SNL clips anymore because of copyright reasons and because the YouTube video has already been made private, so I can't scroll through it anymore. But I recorded the exact moment that every single Dogecoin joke was made and what happened on the chart. So let's get right into it. As you see here, unfortunately, they've already made the video unavailable. Elon Musk very kindly put out a link for everyone to see SNL for the first time ever internationally. I think it was broadcast to like 100 countries. Usually it's only in the US and the UK. Anyway, let's go straight to the Dogecoin price. As you see here on the chart, we have 4 instances where Dogecoin jokes were made, and we have the price. Now, before we get into that, let's go ahead and have a look here on my other chart to see if what I predicted actually ended up happening. Well guys, what did I say? I said that right up to SNL, we would most likely see a bit of a consolidation period, maybe with a slightly upwards trend, and that's actually exactly what we saw. And then on the moment SNL happened, instead of the price rising up as we thought it would, rising up as everybody hoped it would, I told you guys, watch out, because you might not even see a rise towards the $1 mark, but we will definitely see a dump below wherever we begin. And what did we see, guys? Well, we saw a huge dump on SNL, taking us all the way down to about the 0.43 level, which was where I was warning you guys we would bounce off of earlier. And luckily, because Dogecoin has apparently quite a lot of fundamental strength, we bounced from here and we're already recovering quite nicely, which is very nice to see. So if we go then straight into the Dogecoin chart where I marked all of the little jokes happening, we'll see exactly the effect that every single joke had on the Bitcoin price. So let's get right into it. As you see here, this is when SNL started, and he made the first joke about Mother's Day, that he would like to gift his mother Dogecoin for Mother's Day. She was not too happy about that, but we saw a bit of a rise and then a huge dump right after the joke was made. So it's like people were waiting for Elon to mention Dogecoin and then dump their coins. And it happened again the second time he mentioned it here, where I think it was either this one or this one. I don't remember the jokes anymore, but in one he talks quite heavily about, hey, this is what a cryptocurrency is. I'm the Doge father. He was making jokes pretty much every opportunity he got, which was absolutely brilliant to see. But we had a massive dump of Dogecoin straight towards the bottom. Well, the third time we again saw a dump. There always seemed to be a couple of minutes of delay where people were like, dump, big dump, when they don't see the price absolutely skyrocketing. And again here, and again on the last time he made a joke, we saw a big dump. So every time he made a joke, we saw first here a dump of 8.5%, and the second time we saw a dump of 20%. The third time we saw a dump of, a bit better now, but still 6%. And the last time we saw a dump of 9.25%. So every time he mentioned Dogecoin, it actually dumped. And all I wanted to show you guys was basically that when we have these coordinated pump days, you should really change the P because they're coordinated dump days. So especially when you have something like this, what investors are doing is they're literally waiting for the exact moment that the pump is about to happen, and that's when they start dumping their coins hard. And the best case scenario in that case is that the price continues moving sideways, but most of the time you do end up seeing a dump. And anybody who thought they would profit from this, well, they probably bought their coins around here, around the 0.65 mark. Well, you're currently down about 13%. In the video, I said wait for the dump. After the dump is the moment to start buying Dogecoin. So I would be buying Dogecoin right now. And we do as well see some patterns here on the charts, right? They were mostly news driven, but I still think we can maybe go ahead and grab some patterns here. So we do see quite a significant W pattern here with a lot of resistance coming in at the 0.57 mark. And that is a level with quite a lot of volume support. And if I just bring up the volume profiles here, you'll see that right here we have a ton of volume coming in, and we really do need to wait and see what happens. But if we do end up breaking out of here today with a significant we're not going to see the same volume as we saw during this whole SNL dumping fiasco, but we might see a nice candle, something like this. Look for ones that look like these over here, right? That's kind of regular trading, high volume. And if we see one of those candles, well, at that point, we might be breaking out of this W pattern. And that would be super duper cool because this W pattern has a price target bringing us back to where we were before, basically, back into the 0.67 US dollar mark. So we're probably going to go back to the 0.69 US dollars very, very shortly if Dogecoin does break above this W pattern, which I think we'll still see today. So if you're looking for an opportunity to hop into Dogecoin, I would say, well, the dump has happened. Now would be a smart time if you're considering to get into Dogecoin in the very short term. Now might be the moment to do so. So, unfortunately, guys, I really wanted to show you the jokes. I did not think they would private the video. I basically went outside for a moment, and the moment I was back, it was already privated. So I hope you guys will forgive me for that. Just take my word for it. I was literally there tracking by the minute, marking every single time a joke was made. If you guys appreciate this video and you guys believe that Dogecoin is still going to $1 US, I'm a believer, well, then go ahead and smash up that like button down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you'll consider subscribing if you thought it's cool that I'm waking up at 5 a.m. to bring you this content. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!